Yash,
Yeah?
what's the stock market?
What did you say?
What is the stock market?
Oh my god. I can't believe you're asking me that question. Alright, have a seat. Let's talk about it. Right on the floor.
Okay.
Alright. The stock market's like the ocean. It's a little bit mysterious, but it's full of sharks. Long ago, in a place far, far away, okay, it was Amsterdam, people came up with the bright idea of investing in ships. Not owning ships, just parts of them. You know, to avoid going bankrupt if the ship hit an iceberg or, pirates. This was the start of the first stock market where people bought shares of ships and waited for them to return with profits. Or not. Some things never change, huh? What is a stock? Imagine you're at the grocery store. Instead of buying a whole pizza, because who needs that kind of commitment, you buy a slice. That slice represents a stock in the pizza company. If the pizza business booms, the value of your slice goes up. And if the pizza business goes down, well, your slice might start looking like last week's leftovers. Now, picture a bustling marketplace, but instead of fruits and veggies, people are buying and selling pieces of companies. That's basically what the stock market is, a giant swap meet for company shares. Some folks are in it for the long haul, like planting an apple tree. They buy shares, water them with time, and hope for a big juicy apple, also known as dividends. Others are here for a quick trade, like flipping a pancake. Buy low, sell high. So, let's talk about the real MVPs of the stock market. The stock exchanges. Think of them as the grand arenas where all the action happens. You got the New York Stock Exchange, which is like the Wall Street Gladiator Arena, classic and prestigious. And then there's NASDAQ, the cool tech-savvy cousin. It's all about electronics, gadgets, and more shouting? Kinda. These exchanges are where buyers and sellers meet, either in person, like the NYSE, or electronically, like NASDAQ, to trade stocks. It's kind of like eBay, but instead of bidding on vintage collectibles, you're bidding on pieces of companies. Have you ever heard of a bull market or a bear market? No, it's not a petting zoo. A bull market is when prices are charging upward, like a bull. And a bear market? Well, that's when prices are hibernating, going down, like a bear crawling into its cave. Remember, these animals can switch places fast. 1 minute, you're riding the bull. The next, you're snuggling with the bear. So why do stock prices change? They change for a million reasons. Company news, world events, or maybe someone just spilled their coffee on the trading floor, or people just feel like prices should change. Remember, the stock market is like a mood ring. It reflects how investors are feeling. Happy? Prices go up. Nervous? Prices go down. And sometimes it's just plain unpredictable. Let's bring this to life with some real-world examples. Say you want to invest in Apple Inc. You go to a stock exchange like NASDAQ, search for Apple, and decide how many shares you want to buy. If Apple releases a new iPhone and sales skyrocket, your shares might increase in value. Cha-ching! But if Apple faces a major issue like the new iPhone is actually a flop, your shares might take a hit. Oops. Another example. Imagine you invested in Tesla. If Elon Musk tweets something wild, the stock might go on a roller coaster ride. It's like riding a mechanical bull, thrilling, but sometimes you're left holding your hat. Or think about a company like Disney. When they release a blockbuster movie, their stock might soar. If a movie flops, it might dip. It's like the box office is the weather forecast for your investments. So, the stock market is like a grocery store, a zoo, a mood ring, a roller coaster, and a global arena, all roll into one. But with a little knowledge, and maybe a slice of pizza, you can navigate it just fine.